Having a cozy bedroom is essential for a good night's sleep and a comfortable living environment. It sets the tone for the rest of your home and is a place to relax and recharge. These suggestions will help you create the perfect bedroom. Number 1. Add a cozy throw blanket. Adding a cozy throw blanket to your bedroom can instantly make the space feel warm and inviting. Choose a fuzzy or cable knit blanket in a neutral color to blend into the decor and provide extra warmth during the cooler winter months. Number 2. Pick soft and comfortable bedding. Investing in quality bedding is essential for creating a cozy bedroom. Soft and comfortable bedding will make you look forward to snuggling up in bed after a long day. Number 3. Decorate with calming colors. Colors affect your mood, so choosing a calming color for your bedroom can help you relax and unwind after a long day. Soft blues, sage greens, and whites are all great choices for creating a soothing atmosphere. Number 4. Place a rug to add texture. Adding a rug to your bedroom can instantly create a sense of coziness and warmth in a room. There are endless options when it comes to rugs, from shaggy rugs to flat weave rugs, so you can find the perfect one for your space. Number 5. Invest in quality window treatments. Window treatments are the perfect way to make a bedroom feel cozier. Not only will they help you regulate natural light and keep out noise, but they can also add a touch of style and elegance to the room. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.